Objects of various weights behave differently. As animators, we can convey the weight of an object by how it acts and reacts to applied forces, contact and non-contact forces. Hey guys, it's Sebastian here from the Noble Frugal Studio. Let's discover tools we can use to convey a believable sense of weight to convey lively movement. Be sure to leave me a like and let's get started. This is my studio setup. I use it to produce the 2D animation course you're watching right now. You can access the entire course for free because of sponsors like FlexiSpot. They sent over a new addition to the studio, their C7 ergonomic office chair. This chair has a high level of adjustability, enabling it to support several different sitting positions. The included footrest can be rotated to either a lounging mode or an active sitting mode. It also tucks away underneath the chair for a more traditional experience. As for colors, I chose the gray and black version. It's not eye-catching, but it carries a sophisticated appeal, just right for an animation studio. FlexiSpot is having an anniversary sale. It should be right around the corner. Use the code C7-82150 at checkout to get a discount on this ergonomic chair. So thank you to FlexiSpot for making this free animation tutorial possible. Let's get back to the video. So here's what I have so far for my animation. Let me just play it for you. Okay, so you get the basic idea. The most basic way we can convey a lively sense of weight in our animations is by using this spring effect. What do I mean by spring effect? Well, that's the rate at which a subject tenses, like when a character swinging his arms outwards, and compresses, like when he's taking a step here. Okay, what speed does he do that at? What rate? That you can call the spring effect, because they're tensing and compressing just like a spring. So how did I achieve this? Well, my core drawings are constantly alternating between tension and compression. So we can ignore the in-betweens for now, and I'll just highlight the core drawing. So this is my main keyframe number 1. Next this is a breakdown. Okay, so now this is tension right here. He's swinging his arms all the way out. His body's at a tense position. Tension is like stretching all the way out until you reach your limit. If you raise your arms up in the air and you really stretch, you can feel the tension. And then he comes down in steps. Breakdown frame, my second core drawing, that's compression. So now compression is like being squashed down. It's the same thing as squash and stretch. Tension and compression, squash and stretch, they're the same thing. Okay, so now tension, compression, then tension again, swinging his arms inward this time, and compression. He's stepping down into the water, lost his footing, he's tripping. Tension, so compression, then tension where he stands up again, loses balance, compression, tension, and rest. Okay, so each of my core drawings is displaying one of the states of the spring effect. I guess you could say there are 3 states: rest, tension, and compression. So I'm constantly alternating between those. And another really important factor to conveying weight in this animation in particular is going to be our forces that are influencing our character. So mainly we have the force of gravity. Gravity is coming down, pushing the character down towards the ground. And gravity is a non-contact force. What does that mean? Well, it means that 2 objects don't have to be physically touching in order for the gravity to have an effect on the character. So in this, we also have the subject of weight gain and loss, where at certain points, the gravity is moving the character, and at other points, the character is taking the weight and moving themselves. How do we demonstrate this? Well, we take this, I'm gonna make a new layer, and we have the character traveling at a path like this, right? Along with the effect of gravity, is that every time the character is moving down, he's speeding up like that. Okay, did you notice that? We have frames placed like this, so this could be our, 0, 3, 6. This is on 3s, 0, 3, and 6. So every time he's going downwards, he's speeding up. Every time he's coming, but then when he's coming upwards, what do we see happening? He is slowing down. Well, so what does that tell us? That tells us that gravity is affecting this character. So it's pushing him down, speeding, causing him to accelerate when he's moving downwards. At this point, this character takes the weight, pushes himself back up, but gravity's working against him. So he's going to be slowing down. Does that make sense? So really just two concepts. We have that spring effect alternating our core drawings between tension and compression. And then also being aware that our character is affected by contact and non-contact forces. In this case, we talked about gravity, pushing our character down constantly. So every time he's moving downwards, he's speeding up. When he's moving upwards, he's slowing down. Very, very basic way to convey a lively sense of weight. The influence of gravity is really what's helping us with the weight here. As for adding life to our animation, making it lively, our character constantly alternating between tension, compression, and rest will also give it a lively effect. And while you do that, just a tip, just have fun with your character pose drawing. You know, this one I didn't take it too seriously, just tried to make some flowy, organic looking gesture drawings to make sort of a careless, free looking walk cycle. If at all possible, have fun with it and correct it as you go. Start basic. Very general advice, I know, but hopefully with this example, you can start to see how you can add some life to your animation. But might I say, wow, Krita is a very nice animation software. I really underestimated it. Just this little movement project in Krita proved to be very, very nice. I gotta hand it to the devs. They did a nice job on this app. Well, that's all from me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, special thanks to FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video and helping to make this animation course available for free. I want to say a special thank you to my patrons on Patreon for supporting this channel throughout the years, especially Owen Art on Patreon. Thank you so much. If you're looking to improve your drawing skills as an animator, hit the join button on this channel or become a patron to check out the Drawing for Animators course for drawing lessons designed with the animator in mind. Thanks for watching again, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.